Good morning, children. Welcome back to online social science classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Hope you all are well. Today we are going to discuss about the topic the types of vegetation in India. Let us study in detail. Fourth one, montane forest or mountainous forest. Dear children, we know that in mountainous area the temperature is very low. Okay. In mountainous areas, the decrease in temperature with the increase in altitude means height, leads to corresponding change in natural vegetation. The foothills of the Himalaya, Shivaliks, have tropical, most deciduous forest. Okay, flora means natural vegetation. The foothills of the Himalaya, Shivalik have tropical, most deciduous forest. Sal and bamboo are important trees. They are followed by the wet hill forest. They lie between about 1000 to 2000 meters. Important trees are here oak, chestnut, ash, etc. Between 1500 and 3300 meter above the sea level, there occur the well-known coniferous forest. Okay, between 1500 and 3300 meter above the sea level in the mountainous area, there occur the well-known coniferous forest. Pine, deodar, silver, fir, etc. are some dominant trees. Above the coniferous forest lie the alpine forest at an altitude of about 3600 meter. Okay, so above the coniferous forest, what type of forest can be seen? Alpine forest. Altitude, its height is about 3600 meter. Important trees are here silver, fir, pine, birk, etc. These are the characteristics of the mountainous forest. Okay, so in mountainous forest, temperature is very low and increasing the altitude leads to corresponding change in the natural vegetation. The foothills of the Himalayas means the bottom of the Himalayas, Shivalik have tropical moist deciduous vegetation. Sal and bamboo are important trees. They are followed by the wet hill forest. They lie between about 1000 to 2000 meters. Important trees are here oak, chestnut, ash, etc. Between 1500 and 3300 meter above the sea level, coniferous forest can be seen. Some important trees are pine, deodar, silver, etc. Then above the coniferous forest lie the alpine forest at an altitude of about 3600 meter. Important trees are silver, fir, pine, birk, etc. Okay. Last one, mangrove forest. The mangrove tidal forests are found in the areas of coast influenced by the tides. Mud and silt get accumulated on such coast. Mud and silt get accumulated on such coast. Dense mangroves grow are the common varieties with the roots of the plants submerged under the water. Okay, dense mangroves are the common varieties with the roots of the plants submerged under the water. Can you see? Look at the figure. You can see the mangrove forest, mango trees. The deltas of the Ganga, the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Godavari and the Kaveri are covered by such vegetation. Do you know? In the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, Sundari trees are found. What type of trees? Sundari trees are found, which provide durable hard timber. Royal Bengal tiger is the famous animal in this forest. Okay, so Royal Bengal tiger is the famous animal in the which forest? Sundarban forest. Okay, which trees are common here? Sundari trees. Animals found here are the gharials, snakes, turtles, etc. Okay, these are the characteristics of the mangrove forest. So now we studied about 5 types of natural vegetation in India. They are tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn forest and scrubs, mountain forest and mangrove forest. Dear children, I would like to wind up this session. Today we have studied about the different types of vegetation in India. I hope you understood this topic very well. URL related to this topic is attached. Watch the URL. Notes and test questions are also attached. We can meet in the next session. Bye children.